Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hey everyone, this is Sam Mowers here, and welcome to episode 460 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, the Bank of Korea will begin CBDC testing in 2021. Line's LVC is launching a crypto lending service. SBI Holdings has acquired the Taotao crypto exchange, and Riot blockchain has expanded its operational capacity with the purchase of more miners. But just before we dive into today's show, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And I also recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com, such as the Clean Tech and Climate Change podcast and the Cannabis podcast, both of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. Alright, so the Bank of Korea, South Korea's central bank, has announced plans to begin testing for its digital currency next year, according to a report from the Korea Herald today. This would conclude the BOK's 22-month pilot program, which was announced in April of this year. Despite this announcement, the BOK insists that this pilot program does not guarantee the adoption of a CBDC, but that the bank is merely testing the waters. The report in the Korea Herald asserts that the coronavirus pandemic is accelerating global CBDC development, with more and more people turning to contactless and cashless payments. Across the sea in Japan, LVC, that's the blockchain and crypto exchange division of messaging giant Line, which trades on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol LN, is launching a crypto lending service. CoinDesk reports that the service allows users to lend cryptocurrencies to the company's BitMax crypto exchange, whereupon lenders will receive a rental fee akin to a bank loan interest payment. Moreover, according to the report, from October 7th to October 30th, Line will run a campaign that will let users earn up to 10% per annum of the fee from the lending service. Elsewhere in Japan, SBI Holdings, Inc., which trades on the OTC under the ticker symbol SBHGF, has announced the acquisition of Taotao Crypto Exchange. A loosely translated excerpt outlines the company's intention with the exchange, quote, "In the future, we will make maximum use of the management resources such as know-how and knowledge of the SBI Group as a comprehensive financial group and the customer base and service know-how of crypto assets that Taotao has cultivated so far and the latest safe and secure crypto assets. We will provide trading services," end quote. Riot Blockchain, Inc., which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol RIOT or Riot, has purchased an additional 2,500 next-generation S19 Pro Antminer at 110 terahash per second cryptocurrency miners for $6.1 million US from Bitmain Tech Limited, scheduled for receipt and deployment delivery in December 2020. This addition, which continues Riot's operational expansion, is expected to bring 842 petahash per second in operational hash rate, with 9,540 miners deployed by late December 2020, a 50% increase over previous projections from the company. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Spotify, iTunes, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio.com, and Google Play Music.